How to fix Zelle not working on your device. There are a few reasons why Zelle may not work properly on your device. Here are some common issues and their potential solutions. 1. Incorrect login information. One of the most frequent reasons for Zelle not working is entering incorrect login information. To fix this, ensure that you are using the correct email address or mobile number associated with your Zelle account, and double-check that you have entered the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, follow the on-screen prompts to easily reset it. 2. Outdated app. An outdated version of the Zelle app can cause it to stop functioning correctly. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. Check for updates in the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, by searching for Zelle. 3. Poor internet connection. Zelle requires a stable internet connection to function properly. If you have a weak or unstable connection, it may hinder the app's performance. Ensure that your internet connection is stable before using Zelle. If issues persist, consider restarting your device or trying a different internet connection. 4. Bank restrictions. Some banks may have restrictions in place that prevent the use of Zelle. If you suspect this is the case, contact your bank directly to inquire about any specific restrictions or requirements they have regarding Zelle. 5. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical problems with Zelle's servers can disrupt the app's functionality. If you suspect this is the cause, visit the Zelle website or check their social media pages for updates or notifications regarding outages or maintenance. Alternatively, reach out to Zelle's customer support team for assistance.